How to remove Starmode.biz? This question is being raised in the minds of many customers who see a lot of such pop-ups attacking their screen. So the pop-up looks at some video file and it says that you need to click on Enable to view download or to click on the Allow button. Obviously, there is no any video file behind it, but this is a deception that you see displayed on this screen. If people mistakenly click on the Allow button, the browser immediately gets hijacked. You will start seeing strange ads attacking your screen and redirecting you to a lot of suspicious resources in the internet. And you may eventually see your computer to be infected with adware, your browser hijacked, your default search engine changed, things like that. So I recommend you to be careful not to click on that Allow button. If it was clicked, go to the menu of your browser, which looks as this circle with 3 vertical dots. Click on Settings, then proceed to Site Settings, and now click on Notifications. So you need to carefully examine the Allow area. If you find this Starmode.biz in the list, and it is in the list here, click on this button and remove it from the list. You may also delete other suspicious sites that do not make any sense. And finally, I would also suggest scanning your Mac with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install it, and wait until the antivirus database is updated and click on Start Combo Scan. The software will perform the free research of your Mac, and some of its functions are absolutely free. They are disk cleaner, big files and duplicates. The antivirus is the part of the premium license. However, the program will perform the free analysis of your Mac. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner antivirus. After the scanning is completed, you will see the detailed report about the status of your Mac. You may go to the antivirus area and click on Review Results. The antivirus will give the total number of threats, and to review them, click here. Now, the program will show you the name of each specific threat, and what's very important, it will also show you its exact location. So what you can do is to click on this icon, this button that says Show in Finder. So it will show you its location in Finder, and you may remove each specific threat manually, one at a time. So this is the free manual approach to deleting threads from your Mac computer. And once all these threads are deleted manually, the problems with your Mac should be fixed. Or you may consider deleting these threads automatically. However, this can be done only with the premium version of the program. Thanks for watching.